going to reveal the Physicians of Myddfai room to you, and I'll give you a short clip of what it looks like before and then afterwards what it was, and then I'll add in something extra, as we've also painted the floor in the Orangery. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. Let's go up to the Physicians of Myddfai room. As we step in from the door, I'll turn to the left, as the bathroom is right here. And there we are. Now you can see the headboard lovely. We've painted a lovely colour from a very prominent paint company. And the lamps are shining out now, and it's not hidden against the old black wallpaper. We've still got the apothecary there. It's there because of the Physicians of Myddfai. They were doctors in the 17th century. And if I zoom in on it, we have it with all the names of the herbs that they used to treat people in the old days. And if we go down, we have this beautiful chest of drawers that we've added in the room. If we zoom in and go down, it's just so reminiscent of the countryside around here. And then if we go around, I've taken the trundle bed out, and now we have the two chairs to make it very comfortable for the guests to enjoy a glass of wine when they're here. And we've got the pictures that we haven't changed from the last time, but they match in with the chairs. We still have the desk here, and lovely teas that we serve. And I'll step back and you can look at the bed from where I'm at the chairs. And it just gives such a lovely effect for this room now, especially with the double windows on either side. And if I step into the bathroom, just do this round. I'll step into the bathroom, and I hope I'll get this. I've put some recipes which they used for coughs. Bruise agronomy in a mortar and mix the juice with boiling milk for strain and use. And the next one I've got is for gastric pains. Take a little tansy and reduce a fine powder. Take with white wine, it will remove the pain. So that really tells you what it's about. And this is the bathroom. Nothing's changed here, it's exactly the same. We have a corner bath here. And we have the Clarence products. And I'll step out and you can see from there what it looks like. And we've got this lovely old wooden floors that have been varnished. And they look so lovely. And then I did purchase a lovely carpet for this room. I'm sure Wendy wouldn't mind me telling. It's from Wendy Morrison Designs. I'm not being paid for this advert, telling you about it. So I'm sharing it. There you go. I hope you've enjoyed the view of this new room's reveal. Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the reveal of the Physicians of Myddfai's room. I'm going to go now downstairs and show you the Orangery. But before I show you, I will put a before picture of the Orangery as I'm going down the stairs at the moment. And then I will give you the after. So as I'm going downstairs, this is the entrance hall from here. And I'll put a picture now of the before it was. Right, and this is the after. We've painted the floors and refreshed the walls and given it a bright look now, and it feels warmer and lovelier than before. So I'll just give you a view of the Orangery. Everything's been repaired and everything's looking lovely now. As you come in from the parking lot, which is the doors right over there, I'm going to walk towards it, and then I'm going to turn around, and that's the view right through to the front door. So these are the two things that I have finished over the time that we've been off repairing, doing maintenance and fixing up this beautiful home and luxury retreat for our guests for the next season starting in April. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the vlog that I've prepared for you, and if you don't mind, on the bottom side, if you just don't mind subscribing and leaving any comments that you'd like about what I've done, and help me with any decorations that you've got ideas with. It'll be absolutely wonderful if you could share them with me. And I will leave you today until we see each other in the next vlog. Bye.